Have you ever been told that you are a very logical person? Maybe you enjoy completing puzzles and solving complex algorithms. Are you good with numbers and mathematical equations? If so, you have demonstrated logical or mathematical intelligence. Traditionally, intelligence has been thought of as a single trait. The idea of multiple intelligences was introduced in 1983 by Howard Gardner, an American developmental psychologist. Gardner proposed that there are 8 types of intelligences, each one being independent of the other. 1. Musical intelligence includes distinguishing between different rhythms and music patterns. 2. Linguistic intelligence includes the ability to easily acquire different languages, express yourself verbally, and use words to achieve certain goals. 3. Visual spatial intelligence includes awareness of patterns and designs in different spaces. 4. Body or kinesthetic intelligence includes knowing how to solve problems using your body and athleticism. 5. Naturalistic intelligence includes knowledge about your environment and elements in nature. 6. Interpersonal intelligence includes the ability to understand and interact with other people. 7. Intrapersonal intelligence includes a high level of self-awareness. 8. Logical or mathematical intelligence includes the ability to reason and think logically. When it comes to our level of intelligences, no two people are the same. Our level of intelligence varies for each type. For example, a psychology graduate student may be good at picking up on the emotions and motivation of their clients, interpersonal intelligence, but may dislike the outdoors and know little about their natural environment, naturalistic intelligence. Blaise Pascal, Bill Gates, and Sir Isaac Newton are famous people who have high logical or mathematical intelligence. In other words, they are skilled at deductive reasoning, detecting patterns, and logical thinking. People with logical or mathematical intelligence are good at scientific investigations and identifying relationships between different things. They are also good at understanding complex and abstract ideas. Specifically, people with logical or mathematical intelligence are known to be good with numbers, have a good understanding of logical concepts, have above average reasoning skills, enjoy experiments, enjoy solving puzzles and mysteries, be skilled at manipulating numbers and operations, and be skilled at understanding and applying scientific principles. Sherlock Holmes, a fictional character created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, possesses a high logical or mathematical intelligence. Sherlock is famous for his ability to use deductive reasoning to solve tough crimes. Business executives rely on their logical or mathematical intelligence to stay ahead of the competition and improve their companies. Computer and technology entrepreneurs such as Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates use their logical thinking, reasoning, and understanding of complex business and technological concepts to become pioneers in their fields. Mathematicians use their logical or mathematical intelligence to manipulate numbers, solve complex numerical equations, and understand complex algorithms as required in their careers. Let's review. Logical or mathematical intelligence refers to our ability to think logically, reason, and identify connections. People with mathematical intelligence, such as Albert Einstein, are good at working with numbers, complex and abstract ideas, and scientific investigations. People with logical or mathematical intelligence make good mathematicians, detectives, business executives, and computer scientists.